Hey, it's Verlinda Sweeting here, doing a video on the six-figure formula. I really wanted to do a video today, just a little update video. So I'm going to make this really brief because, I don't know, I'm coughing today. And on the news, they were talking about they were shutting down some beaches in our local area here and in some other counties due to people complaining about respiratory problems and things like that. So they shut it down so that they can do some testing, and after 48 hours, I guess they'll find out what was going on with everyone. So we went to the beach yesterday just to drive around, and I had the windows down. I stayed in the car. My kids went out with my husband and they walked around a little bit. So I don't know, the coughing just started this morning. So I turned on the TV and the news was talking about it today, that people were having respiratory issues, and if you have asthma or allergies or anything like that, to stay away from the beach today. So I'm going to make this brief. So six-figure formula, I really love this system. If you haven't watched the first two videos that I created, I did a review on the first one. The second one, I show you how to get started with the six-figure formula. I'll put those links below this one in the description so that you can watch it if you haven't. But there's some steps that you'll have to do if you want to get started with this. And what you would do is you click the link in the description below and you will have a $1 trial. Okay, so right here, there's a video like this. You'll watch the video and then you can scroll down and read about what all you get with the system. You'll see some proof, things like that. And let me see what you get, the bonuses that you get inside the system. I'll talk about this one in a minute. And then you can click to get access and get started for $1. Okay. And after after 3 days, you'll pay $37 and then it'll be $37 per month unless you cancel. Okay. And there's a 14-day money back guarantee. Okay. So there's no risk, okay, in getting involved with this. All right. There's some programs out there. You pay for something and the money that you pay is final. There's no refunds. But as you can see here, money back guarantee. Okay. So, you're not risking anything. But once you get inside the system, once you come in and get your system set up, and once you start going through these modules, I think you're going to be pretty pleased with what you see, what's here, because I went through all of the basic training, and right now I'm on the advanced training, module 3. I have to wait for that to open. When you click on that, as you can see, advanced modules, they open every week. So I have to wait until next week until they open, and I can't wait. So here's the cool thing about this, okay? After you get started, you set yourself up so that you can promote the six-figure formula. And then right after that, you have training here. Okay. You go through the training, you go through the modules, and as you go through them, you're going to be learning affiliate marketing. Okay. Affiliate marketing is what I started off doing a lot. I love promoting affiliate products. I do have a primary business, but I'll never stop liking affiliate marketing. It's just so many things that you can do with this, especially when it comes to CPC affiliate networks. Okay. And so he talks about that in the training, in the advanced training, and you get a list of CPC affiliate networks that pays you per click. All right. Per click, along with a traffic strategy. He shows you all of that and it allows you to monetize effectively. So then you have the Marketer Pro. This is the Marketer Pro system. This is it right here. He talks about it right here on the sales page. Okay. It's a 3 all-in-one combo software. So basically it's a emailing, click tracker, and lead manager all in one. And basically with this, you can back up your leads and keep them safe. So at any time, your autoresponder provider could shut down your account or terminate it for whatever reason, right? And you won't be able to download your leads. So you want to have a place where you can keep your leads safe. And this is where Marketer Pro comes in, and you get this for free just for being a member of the six-figure formula. All right. So the make money section, if you really want to make some additional money with Six Figure Formula, you can get on the Evergreen Affiliate Compensation Plan. And as you scroll down, you choose which one you want, $67 one time or the $47 one time. If you promote Six Figure Formula and you make 20 sales, 20 commissions, they will reward you. Okay. So it has an example here. When you reach 20 commissions, they'll send you $100 just to say thank you for advertising the Six Figure Formula. Okay. And then when you reach 40 sales, they'll send you another 100. When you reach 60, another, and it goes on and on. Whatever plan you want to choose to do that, you can. It's optional. You don't have to do it. You can just keep your standard membership, but you can come and look and see what you get as commissions. But when you come in, Six Figure Formula, you start off with $1. After 3 days, you'll be charged $37, and then it's $37 per month after that, unless you decide to cancel. There's a 14-day money back guarantee, so you don't have anything to risk. Your account information is here. You're going to need a Pay Kickstart account, but all of this will show you how to get everything set up. You'll just follow it. So when I click on this, you'll see there's 5 steps to getting started, and you'll just click View Now, and it'll take you through all the steps one by one. So basically, you'll just need an autoresponder to get everything going. And then once you get through to step 5, start advertising. He shows you free and paid sources. And after you're done setting up everything and you start with your advertising, now you can go in your back office and start on the basic training modules here. Okay. And these are really, really good. All right. And again, once you get to the advanced modules, they open up each week. Okay. So again, I'm on advanced module 3. If you want to look at the different trainings that he's going to be talking about, you can go to the roadmap. You can see what the courses are going to be about. So frequent asked questions, there's the support monthly Q&As. If you have a training request, like there's something you want to learn about or you're not sure about, you can request them to do a training and they'll do a video on it. You also want to be a member of the Facebook group. This is a new system. So, you know, it's new. It's good to get into things that just started out. It's really good to do that. So, come in the system, check it out. I'll put my other 2 videos below so that you can get the review, but I just kind of wanted to update you of how I'm going as far as the training. I'm really enjoying what I'm learning, and I'm really, 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 really going to dive into the CPC affiliate networks, because I haven't seen training like what he's showing you, especially with the traffic strategies that he shares inside of the advanced training. So really get into that. This is it here, the CPC affiliate networks. And then be sure to get your Marketer Pro account, which is free, that you get just for being a Six Figure Formula member. All right. So I do have some advertising running today. So I'm going to take a break today. I think I need that so I can rest my voice up a little bit, probably get some tea. But I thank you for watching this video. I did want to at least, you know, give you a little update, show that I'm still, you know, going through the system and things like that. So it's really, really good. All right. This is Verlinda Sweeting. Hopefully in my next video, I'll sound a whole lot better and give you some more updates. All right. See you in the next video.